Alrighty, and we're back with week 17 now of GoMining solo mining. And the other day I took a nap at the worst time and woke up and realized that I forgot to click the service button within the 24 hours, so my discount reset, which is pretty upsetting, but I'm already 2 out of 10 days away from getting my full 3% discount back again. So I still have a discount of like 3.96, well, not about exactly, because of my VIP discount and because I'm in solo mining just alone. So that together is 3.96, and my total rewards for Bitcoin now is 0.0290056 Bitcoin, which is $3,275.54. But what is it actually at current rates? Oh, it's actually $3 less. That's okay. That's okay. We're looking at a bounce right now. I would say we're picking back up our monthly liquidity low from the very beginning of the month. Hopefully we don't go down to last month's lows at about 100,000, because if we close below that, then we are probably going to be in a downtrend, or hopefully ranging. I would hope ranging, but if we close below that, you never know. Anywho, on to last week's mining rewards, which will be August 12th to August 18th. Not too bad. 0.0003649 Bitcoin. What is that? Probably another $37, $38, 41. Ha ha! Look at that beauty. Don't know why I went Michael Jackson there, but oh well. That is not too bad. I'm kind of just upset that yesterday's rewards, today's rewards, and so on until I'm back at 10 days again. I'm going to be getting less Bitcoin. I'm going to be getting a little bit less because I fucked up. My discount's a little bit low. But if you want to start mining today, my referral link will be down in the description below. You get an extra 5% terahash on your first miner purchase. So you buy 100 terahash, you get 5 free terahash. You can start mining for as low as $26.99. It's literally 1 terahash, 20 watts of terahash, and you're bringing in about 72 cents a month with an ROI up to about 32%. That versus the stock market, you're looking at about 9 to 11% annually. So I like this a bit better, 3 times higher than the average return in the stock market if you're investing in something that mirrors the S&P 500. And you can start for under $30. Or if you got the money for it, you buy 5,000 terahash at 15 watts of terahash for just over $136,000, and you'll be bringing in about $150 a day. So you just bought yourself a full-time job. Like I said, my link will be down in the description below. Feel free to sign up, and have a good one, guys.
We hella green ninja turn to Referral. Heard it been hate, damn man, what the hell? Damn man, what the hell? What's bigger than a whale? Fuck that shit, I ain't going back to jail. Been about my paper,